Hollie Vise, the youngster in the 7th spot as she gets ready for the beam.
And again, Dan, this
very
is
strong in this event.
Absolutely strong on uneven bars, but here on the balance beam, she's exquisite. You'll see her show off such amazing things like flexibility. She has wonderful form, not to mention a great danceability on this event.
Looked
Big
like
skills.
a little Olga Corbett move there to start off.
Check out this skill.
Back handspring to full twisting back. So hard.
Talking to Marta Caroli, and she said that she felt this was the one area where the U.S. really needed to pick up some points was balance beam. Well, this young lady could fill that void for the team. She is capable of big scores here. Nice combination there, and see what she does. She loses sight of the beam. She takes a little bit of extra risk in some of the moves.
It gets mount done in combination here.
Wow, big routine.
Fantastic girl. You did it. See? See, babe? You can do it. I love it. Good job.
We've heard that before.
Yeah, she'll love it.
Watch this here. Back handspring, and then she'll do a full twisting back somersault. She tries to keep her eyes on that beam the entire way around.
Just a small little check on the landing there.